Hello! Today I will show you how to create under 1 minute a digital makeup with Photoshop. First, go to your pen tool. It's here. Choose the area where you want to have the makeup. Is this ready? You can make a right click, make selection. And the window popped up. Make 1 pixel. So now you have your area for the makeup. Go to this symbol, click on it, go to color balance and change the blend mode to soft light. Over here you can create your makeup color. So I will go in with a soft pink like this. If you have your color, go mask and soft everything up. Let's see the before and after. That's the before and that's the after. Follow for more quick Photoshop hacks. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see something special.